this moment, there is a mad rush in America. Apple, Amazon, Facebook, dozens more. They're all betting on a radical new technology that will change the way we live. This is the future, says Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak. The Wall Street Journal agrees, calling it foundational. Like the internet and electricity, investors are paying close attention because the World Economic Forum projects this technology will soar 295,762% over the next 7 years alone. More than 5G, AI, and the Internet of Things combined. That's why companies like Walmart, Visa, Dole, FedEx, Ford, GM, JP Morgan, and Shell are also involved. And a recent report from UBS found 200 of the richest families on Earth, worth an average $1.2 billion, agree this will fundamentally change the way we invest.
You can feel the electricity. It's almost like you felt in the 1990s with the internet.
In fact, in a story missed by the media, even Warren Buffett, famous for hating technology investments, has called this ingenious. And he's making a huge billion-dollar bet. If you've ever kicked yourself for missing out on history's biggest trends, like investing in Microsoft in the 80s, Amazon in the 90s, Apple in the 2000s, or even Bitcoin in 2010, this is it. A rare second chance. Because in today's special presentation, Wall Street legend Teeka Tiwari, the man who came to America with just $150 in his pockets and went on to correctly pick the last two investments of the decade, months, even years before the so-called experts, will finally reveal his best investment of the next decade. A breakthrough technology set to grow an astonishing 295,000%. In fact, Teeka has gone all in. In the last 2 years alone, he's invested millions of dollars, traveled to 14 countries, flown in 300,000 miles, met with 4 different billionaires, all to get the inside track on what he calls Genesis technology.
Genesis is the one investment that will eclipse everything.
When Teeka Tiwari makes a new investment recommendation, people listen. In December 2015, for example, Teeka recommended NVIDIA. It went on to become the #1 stock of 2016. And in the last 3 years, his audited track record, spanning a few dozen different investments, returned an average yearly gain of 154%. That's 10 times better than the S&P 500 at record highs, 81 times the average investor, according to JP Morgan, and even 5 times better than the investing legends Warren Buffett, Bill Gross, and Carl Icahn all put together. Because of Teeka's rare ability to spot big winners, he was recently asked to manage $100 million, but he refused. Instead, Teeka decided to keep doing what he does best, to share his ideas with regular, everyday Americans. Already, Teeka has helped give thousands of people across the world the chance to multiply their money 7, 12, 20, even as much as 140 times over, just by investing in the initial rollout of Genesis technology.
So from that $10,000, it had gone up to $330,000, and we were just amazed.
How can you ever say thank you to someone for literally changing your life that much?
And today, Teeka will pull back the curtain and reveal everything you need to know about this incredible opportunity, including the massive change that just went into effect on January 1st, and that will catapult Genesis into the spotlight and its anticipated 295,762% growth over the next 6 years, creating $8.6 trillion of total newfound wealth. You will also see firsthand the major discovery Teeka recently made in Manhattan, a big change that could be in store for credit cards, as well as the stunning reason our healthcare costs might soon be slashed by half, and with no government intervention needed. So please, sit back, get rid of all distractions, and lock your eyeballs to the screen, because today, former hedge fund manager Teeka Tiwari will finally share the single best way you can turn a small stake into a fortune, and reveal his proprietary $1.6 million blueprint. This is the same blueprint he and several others have used to turn $1,000 into $1 million or more. enabling lifestyles others can only dream of. The 2010s are behind us, and now a new decade.
You can look at, commercial real estate. That's certainly an area to watch more than any other.
Good morning, everybody. ProTrader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. How's everyone doing? Hope you had a nice night last night. Looking for a great trading day today. We do that every day. And let's check out the main screen and see what's going on. All right. Excuse me. Some quite amazing moves in MOJO swing picks in the last 2 days. It's really amazing. This is the swing model drive that everyone gets to follow. Today I'm going to do the crone. I think it's at 8. Crone is at 8.23, up 89 cents, 12%. ACB is at 9. I'm going to sell the $9 covered call. CGC going to sell the $27 covered call. So this is the ACB. I'm going to sell the 9. I own it at $7.25. I bought it on May 11th of this year at $7.25. I've collected $11.50 in premium. I'm going to do a ACB $9 covered call. Expires on 4th. I'm going to go to the December 4. I'm going to go to the 9. I'll actually probably go out December 11th. We'll do the 9. And probably open up at $1. So this one will probably look to get $1 in it. Maybe I should do the 8. No, I'll do the 9. And crone, same thing. Option, December 11, 9. Actually, let's go 18. Let's see what these open up at. And the last one is the CGC 27. Probably be over $1 too. And those are the 3 links. So they'll all probably be around $1. We'll see what they open up at and what they do today. So we have Grayscale Bitcoin Trust at $7.95 is 22. We have FPay at $1.70 is $1.70. Shrax 260 is $2.94. Went to $3.05 yesterday. Amazon was short at 3,280 is $3,098. Facebook was short at 292 is 268. We're up 5% on Amazon and 8% on Facebook. We're short Tesla at 500 at 457. We're down on that. So this one's going to be gone. Lost on that one. Down 1% on this one. Down 12% on UVXY. So those are the losers. We're up 5% on Vion and 4% on this one and down 8% on this one. DGLY. If it goes lower, we'll sell it. If it pops, we'll jump, add to it and go higher. This one's up 10%, 1%, and 3%. AEZS, Lee Enterprises, and Stonemore. Excuse me. So Blink this morning took some profits at $36.55. I own it at $2.50. In 158 days, I've made 1,362%. That's almost like 10% a day for all those days. CHS, 68%. Picked at $1.10, $1.85. Chico's FAS, women's clothing. Then we have Express women's clothing, 62 cents, $1.85, up 198.39% in 36 days. Village Farms, $4.75, sold $10.05, up 111.58% in 57 days. CLNE, $2.70, bought on August 24th, finally moving. $5.05, up 87% in 92 days. Jivo, we bought a day ago at $1.45, is $2.55. Stone, we bought 2 days ago at $1.20, $1.35, 12.5%, 75%. Cint, bought 2 days ago at $1.85, $2.55, 37.84%. ADAP 465 sold 485, 4.3. WTRH 375 sold 405, 8%. All from the Sunday newsletter. GSM, this one was beauty, 45%. OEG. GSM 105, 155, 47%. Vive 50 to 65, 30%. AMOV 1. AWX 19 and IDEX is now 3, up 142%. Those are some good newsletters, dude, from 11/16 to 23 in 2 weeks. Banged out a lot of beauties, man. A lot of these stocks are crazy higher. I can't believe it, man. You got a lot of these stocks. Jivo's 240 up 13%. OEG picked it there at $1 yesterday. Look at these picks. These are the daily charts on them right here. Capstone Turbines ripping, CLNE Fuel Cell. Can you believe these stocks? We own them so cheap. Let me show you. Anyone could join the newsletter. You get them on Sunday nights. I have 57.1 thousand followers on my Twitter. So GSM is 93 cents. Ferroglobe, UK-based manufacturer of specialty metals, including silicon-based metals for chemical and aluminum. Going to break out right there. You see it? Above $1, 92 relative strength. So, you know, it's a no-brainer. Ferroglobe at 93. There you go. $1.50, man, up 70%. That's from the newsletter on Sunday. How do you like that one? How about this one? Gevo. You could see 11/22 newsletter. That's 2 days ago. Chemical specialty industry. We're going to go for the $1.35 range. Looking for the mini Heinz trade break of 150. Volume increased 143% to 42.7 million from 17.6 million. We have increased earnings for the next 2 years from a loss of 239 to a loss of 85 to a loss of 16. That's huge earnings growth. I've been in this one for years, and it can be a tricky play. Play it one way only, and that's higher through $1.50. It looks good with support at $1.42, and above 50, sky's the limit. See what it can do. Float 119.6 million, funds 10%, risk 15%, reward 50%. And Gevo is up 68% to 229. Here's OEG, 11/22 swing pick at $1.08 in the electronic parts industry. Looking for the mini Heinz break of $1.50. Volume increased 209% to 11.7 million shares from 3.8 million shares. Increased earnings with a loss of 89 cents to a loss of 24, with an 89 relative strength and insider buying. Looks good with support at $1.04, above $1.31. Sky's the limit. See what it can do. Float 30.4 million, funds 10%, risk 15, reward is 50. How much did it go up? It went up. That's Gevo. It went up 79.6%, 80% to over 203. Here's Blink. Blink was a charging stations for electric cars at $2.50 on Friday, $6.19. Now it's $36. So the day I bought it up $2.50, it was up from 27 to 30. It was up $10, 5 times the amount I bought it when it was at $2. Here's Fuel Cell at $2.92 to break $3.42 and $3.36. Fuel Cell's $9.93. $9.93. Here's CLNE. Oh no, this is AIWRO. Here's CLNE. Clean Solutions at $2.74. Clean Energy Fuels, same thing, $2.74. Here it is at $4.65. Today it's over $5. Here's AYRO at $2.63 on 6/7 of 2020. Looking for the move up to 3, adding a couple of times. AYRO. Right now it's 10.27. AYRO. All V-band Marabuzus. VFF Village Farms at $4.84 on 9/25. Huge earnings growth from a loss of 5, from gaining 5 to gaining 8 to gaining 27 with 238% increase. Beautiful on Village Farms right there, and it's at 9.41. Here's Riot Blockchain at $2.11, picked for the same 6/19 of 2020 for the break up there with a 95 relative strength. Riot Blockchain at 2 is now 7. Mara at 90 cents on 5/10 of 2020 at 90 cents, one way up. Increased volume with Bitcoin activity, looking for the move up, adding a couple of times into $1. on Marathon Patent Group at 90 cents is $5.13 with a rail grind, Marabuzu closes and everything else like that. Stock's going higher on the Mara. Here's Sun W on the 920 newsletter at 84 cents. Already a pick from the 824 newsletter at 69 cents. It looks great to go through $1. Increased earnings the next year at 12. Volume increased. Sun at 84 cents is $7.23. Stocks did great. ACB was ripping in the after hours right there at $7.98 into 8. It's now $9, $10 a share. And there you go, guys. OEG swing pick right there. Gevo swing pick right there. You don't get better than that. Nobody in the world has been doing better performance than Mojo subscribers that are joined on that newsletter. And you can get the holiday special up there and do the same thing, man. Looking forward to you joining. Absolutely. Those are some super fabulous picks. Yeah, not so bad. Not so bad. Not too shabby, boys. So let's see what we got. We got a little bit of hot and not this morning. Let's see. All right, I shorted NEO this morning at 58 and change. It's finally coming down. I probably should have held it. Shorted NEO at 58.20. Covered at 57.94. And 58.06. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Got F-Tech, Fuel Tech. Look at this one. Been to 665. It's down to 545, up 100%. But it's this like clean energy fuels, Fuel Tech, Capstone Turbine, Fuel Cell, Gevo, Polar Power, all these crazy. SPI, look what this one did this morning. Went from 11 to 18. They all sold off pretty hard. Here, WPRT, Westport Fuel Systems, another Mojo swing pick right here. That's going to go up today. It already is up a lot. And they supply the fuel for the truckers. Everything seems to be up again. Let's check out what the futures are doing. Futures are up 318, 28, and 45. All right, that's good. So we're at 229,560. All right. Mara, DPW, these things are all pretty much overextended. Went to 950. It fell $1 already. And pretty much in the last couple of minutes. From 950 to 850. Glad I ain't in that one. Right now, was in it before. Some great trading, man. Happy for a lot of people. Had this guy yesterday. First day with me in the service, made $4,000. Let me see. I think his name is Noble. Here it is. Huh. Nope. Can't find it right now. Where is it? He said he made $4,000 first. I had it in a folder for him. Hey, Mike. Here it is. Let me hide his email address. This was Monday last night at 7. His name's Noble. And he signed up for my course. Right after that. Smart man. Hi, Mike. It says, actually, hey, Mike, first day in your service made $4,200. Amazing. I was also wondering if you exited the swing trades completely from your watch list that you bought today. No, I scale out, just like in day trading. I buy the position 3 times, right? Then it goes higher. I sell during that one day. Guess what? It goes higher the next day. This is day 1. Guess what? Just like I bought here 3 days, that's over 3 days. Or if it's moving over 2, or if it's flying over 1. The instructions are in the swing newsletter on how you buy. So I'm in. So now it moves. I'm at a half the position right here. So now I set a trail stop for about right here. I just let the thing keep on going. And then the next day, it moves to here. I set a trail stop here. Whoops. And then the next day, it moves again because you can't believe it. And you set a trail stop here. And then the next day, it moves again. You can't believe it. You set a trail stop here. And then the next day, it jumps again. You can't even believe it. And you set a trail stop here. And then you sell another 1/8. Sell another 1/8. Now you got a quarter of the position left. The thing's in the to the moon, man. Hold it forever. NVAX went from 4 to 140. Blink went from 2 to 40. So you can't say what they're going to do. You just got to let them go. You got to let them go do that, man. IDEX, I picked it at $1. It's $3.77. You still got to have 1,000 shares if you bought 10. That's what I do. IDEX, just bought it the other day, right here in the swing newsletter. It's an amazing pick. This was on the 11/23 news on Sunday night. Excuse me. UV's moving up. And that's what we do, boys. And that's how we trade, man. We're rocket ships, making power happen. So Mara is 580, been to 630. Riot is 740, been to 770. GBTC's 23, now I have it at 7. DPW. How are you liking all my coins? I told you, look at my shows, dude, a month ago. I told you a month ago, I buy all these coins, dude, with me. Everybody buy these coins. I told you where they were all going. There's Bitcoin, 19,155. Ethereum was 300, now it's 600. Ripple was 21, it's 68. Bitcoin Cash was 249, it's 349. Litecoin, I got that at 57, is 89. Polkadot, I got at 212, is 581. I got Stellar Lumens, see it at 16. I have it at 8 cents. It's up 100%. I have, where is it? Ethereum Classic at 580, it's 719. I have Dogecoin at 0025, is 0038. I have Dash at 68. Where's Dash? Dash is 114. Dash is up 39% just in the last 7 days. Look at this, up 97% Stellar Lumens in the last 7 days. I told you, man. Everybody to own these babies. I told you, there's a Bitcoin Ethereum. There's a Bitcoin trust, an Ethereum trust, Stellar Lumens trust. All these trade on the stock exchange. It's not just GBTC. There's 5 of 6 of them. It's all great stuff, man. All right, UV 1196. All right. So we're trading here today. We got some good action. UV's going to go through 12, looks like right now. 1198. It went to 1186. Beauty. Look at that UV, 1198. Going to be doing a little Heinz and 12 action as the VIXY heads into 80. VIXY maybe back into 15. Bring up down. I'm not looking for too much. But we're looking. We're looking and shaking. Had that Neo short at 58. Freaking should have held that thing short, dude. Had Neo short at 50 freaking 8, dude. 58.20. Damn. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this trade. Had shorted 58.15, covered 57.94. It was too strong earlier, dude. Look at that. Those 3 bars were too strong. I said, forget it. I'm out of it. I shorted it earlier at 57.50, covered at 57.49. Then I bought UV at 11.90 and just sold 1,000 at 11.97. Look at that. See that? Had that freaking Neo was scaring me off, but I had it short at 58.20, man. You could trade in the pre-market on this little nice TradeX platform. I told everybody. Been telling you for days, man. All right, what else we got? Moderna came down under 100. Ford's doing good in the last couple of days. 9.13 now. They're all doing good. As coronavirus cases skyrocket and the market goes higher and higher. American Airlines, hey, they got, expect 50% of the sales, and the stock's ripping. It's better than no sales, right? They expected no sales, 50% is better than nothing, right? Send the stock up 50%. Wall Street's crazy. Tesla. Who the hell owns a Tesla? They're the ugliest freaking looking cars. Looks like a freaking Volkswagen Bug pushed down and widened. It's just so damn ugly, dude. It's so ugly. Freaking hate Teslas, dude. Tesla's like the king. Bullshit. Hate that Tesla. They're going under 541 right now, you piece of shit. Told you, it's listening to the MOJO. Look at that drop from 550. Dropped 9 points. Damn freaking Neo had that short at 58. I knew it. It's just too strong when I'm in it, dude. And when the stocks I'm long, they're too weak when I'm in them. And then I sell them and they run. It's so fucked up. Luckily, I get enough shares where I hold some of it, And then I'm like, okay. Imagine if I had all those shares now. Half's better than nothing. Just like the sales on American Airlines. Hey, half's better than nothing, right? You do half, hold half. Hey, they add up, man. Pretty good. JDST and them gold miners. Look, gold's not doing too good no more, huh? Told you. Look at that thing dumping like a chumping. JDST used to be $1,000 a share. It's 13. Pretty nice. What's UV at? 12 yet? No, not yet. Not yet, but it will be. But it will be. Oh, speaking of NVAX, it just went by the high-low list at 96.25. It's pretty funny. That was pretty funny. See that? NVAX, I just mentioned that and it went by the high-low list. Funny. This will be simple, easy peasy today. Look, guys. See UV last night? 1208 by 1209 with 477. That's the signal. It's going back there. And I didn't hold overnight, or I would be owning it at 1208, hoping it would go back there. And it will, and I would break even. Now I own it at 1190. It goes to 1208. I'm up 20 cents versus being even. And that's the difference of not holding overnight, trying to guess which way the market's going to go. You can get a better price the following day. Done it 5 days in a row. I've been rewarded when you follow the rules. That's amazing what all these stocks were up yesterday. Look at my notes from yesterday. Look at that. DPW up 270. This is my journal. Look at that. Riot. These are all my stocks. Look at that. All on crazy volume. 54 million, 39 million, 266 million, 98 million, 50 million, 50 million. Big on fuel tech from 2 to 4 in the after hours. All swings are up huge. Fuel cells 994. Look at that. Journaling, right? That's the power of keeping track. I know where everything is, man. I got it all in the action, under control, in the mojo. That's what mojo. Ooh, look at the size coming at 97 on the bid on UV. Ooh, going right through 12 now. Told you. 98, 99, 277. He ain't getting filled on that. He's going to buy the 99s. Are going to go right to 12. Then he got filled on a bunch. Merry Christmas, everyone. I'll be taking the day off tomorrow, trading in the morning, and then splitting, man. Little vacay for the Moj. Little vacay for the Moj. It's okay. You guys can all can call yourselves Moj too, in the third person. Great trade, Moj. We're all Mojes. When you're in the Moj, you need a third person name. Like I told my boy, for baseball, he's Mr. Scoops. First base gets all them scoops, man. No problem. They call him Mr. Scoops. So he needs a little, you need a little nickname. Need a little nickname. Da-na-na. Chestnuts roasting on my fire. What else we got? CLNE. And all these things are dead now in the water. OEG even corrected huge. VIXI heading in there. UV heading in there. Dogs, G-O-D-O-G-Z. Dogness International Dog Company. I think they do dog stuff. Like dog stuff. Selling dog stuff. Alright, watch the screen. I'll be back. AEZS swing pick by the high-low list, 42 cents. UVXY, 1198. Size coming on the bid, 1197. Real accumulation on UV down here. These people are collecting to get paid. Boeing Heinz 200 went to 211. It's now 219. Just like I teach in MOJO University. ProTrader Boot Camp. Ocean Power Technologies, OPTT up 49%, MOJO Swing Pick. Ocean Power Technologies, MOJO Swing Pick. OPTT. August 23rd, $1.13, MOJO Swing Pick, Ocean Power Technologies. 4 amazing quarters of increased growth, 567%, 43%, 170%, and 189%, with earnings coming out in a 95 relative strength to go break $1.12 with the support all the way up here and up here with a 9.3 float. And I highlighted the company many times. Stocks up at 3.25. Great picks. Here's two other picks that went by the high-low list. Staffing Solutions at $1 and change, and Jack's Pacific at $5.48. I did a special report last Christmas on Jack's. Music's annoying. All right, what else we got? Airlines are up. Vixie. Alrighty, very nice, very nice. I'm gonna leave the screen on. You guys can watch. I'll be back. Hey guys, crazy how a stock could trade 24 million shares and it's not even 9:30 in the morning yet. Stock's gonna trade hundreds of millions of shares, over 100 million shares today. Pretty crazy. 4 minutes to the open, guys. 4 minutes to the open. Let's see what we got. Emma, good morning. All other traders, have a tremendous Tuesday. Nice from the UK. Nice call, Money. Job, Mr. Money. Jeff, you're doing great on them picks, baby. Good job. I see you on Facebook, Mr. Money Man. Excellent job. All right, guys, I'm going to end the live stream. I appreciate everybody watching. Come join the MOJO Day Trade Room and get started trading with me. It's going to be another stellar and exciting day. It's hard to concentrate, take care of the room, do the streaming, and do my own trading. So we'll end the stream, and if you want to do the trading with me, definitely come join the holiday special, guys. Thanks.